ha Seyi Tinubu ó ṣe èyí tán. Mo kí gbogbo ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà pátápátá àti gbogbo olólùfẹ́ Sanfatis Radio TV káàkiri àgbáyé, káàkiri igun mẹ́rẹ̀ẹ̀rin orílẹ̀-èdè àgbáyé. Adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín bẹ́ẹ̀ tí máa ń bá wa pín káàkiri tẹ̀sí tó máa ń bá wa láìkẹ́ ẹ ṣé gan ni. Ní báyìí afẹ́fẹ́ ti fẹ́ àti rí fùrọ̀ adìrẹ. Ààrẹ ẹgbẹ́ NANS tá a mọ̀ sí NANS káàkiri gbogbo orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà tí wọ́n jí gbé ó ti gba ìtúsílẹ̀ o. Ó ti gba ìtúsílẹ̀, wọ́n ti tú sílẹ̀, ṣùgbọ́n àṣírí ẹni tó jí gbé ti tú o. Àṣírí ẹni tó jí gbé ti tú. Ilé ayé, ilé asán. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ààrẹ NANS ṣe sọ láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ títí dé òpin, ó ti jẹ́ kó di mímọ̀ wípé Seyi Tinubu àti àwọn ẹmẹ̀wà rẹ̀, àwọn ni wọ́n ṣe òun báṣabàṣa bí ọ̀sẹ̀ ṣe ń sojú nígbà tóun kọ̀ jálẹ̀ láti gba 100 million tó jẹ́ owó rìbá lọ́wọ́ wọn. Kí ló fa eléyìí? Kí ló fà á nínú ayé kan ṣoṣo yìí? Kí ló fà á? Kí là ń lé? Kí là ń bá a ká? Ìjẹgàba lórí gbogbo nǹkan tó jẹ́ pé yóò tán. Àwa ń fi ọwọ́ agbára àfi ń gbára wa lójú. Èyí ò dáa. Seyi Tinubu, gbogbo ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà, ẹ wá gbọ́ nǹkan tí ààrẹ NANS tó sọ nínú fọ́nrán tó fi léde orí ìtàkùn ayélujára. Gbogbo àṣírí tí ń bẹ ní kọ̀kọ̀ pátápátá òun ló ti tú jáde sínú fọ́nrán yìí. Ẹ wá dákun bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ti ń bá mi gbọ́ tán, ẹ bá ń pín káàkiri kó délé kó dóko, kẹ́ sì tún bá mi láìkẹ́, kẹ́ tún wá subscribe sí gbogbo péjì wa pátápátá at Sanfatis Radio TV fún tuntun míì tó tún bọ̀ lọ́nà. Ẹ ṣé púpọ̀.
I was invited to Lagos to meet with Seyi. I met with Seyi and the Minister for Youth. The Minister for Youth, when he saw me, he hugged me in Lagos. We talked, and I was to be offered 100 million naira. But the thing is, it's not all about money. There are things which I stand for. You cannot ask me to begin to promote a president who has not done something for me to say he has done it. If he does something good, I will promote him. We will support him as the president and commander-in-chief. But where he is, you cannot say I should keep quiet. I won't do that. That we couldn't settle. And they felt that I'm being stubborn not to accept money and to come to Lagos without accepting money and going back. So they planned my abduction, and on the 15th, I was abducted. Of April, I was abducted, stripped naked, beaten seriously, in collaboration with the MD of NTA. The MD of NTA, I was packaged to NTA to make involuntary statement that I am no longer, that I have renounced my position as NANS president. I did that to gain my freedom. But immediately I released a press statement that I was forced, it was under duress, and because I was naked, I was beaten. They claimed that they will share the video. That Seyi told them that they can share the video, nothing will happen. And that even if they kill me, he will order. That was the word Ladoja used. It is Ladoja that is telling me this. That he will instruct, yes, he will instruct the Inspector General of Police to cover it up. And if he doesn't do that, that he will go. So I now asked, even this morning when somebody was telling me that, you know who Seyi is? I say, yes, Seyi is an ordinary citizen like myself. He's not occupying any official position. I told them yesterday, I made it clear, that even if I'm coming to this hall and I'll be shot, I'll still come to this hall. At the end, today, the inauguration is concluded and I'm the NANS president. I want Nigerians to know what has happened and that we are not going to give up and that Seyi can do anything he wants to do. He's already in this hotel. This inauguration wouldn't have held. You can see the organization is not correct. See the way the things was hardly done. I told the MC, quickly start. Don't do no protocol. Do the inauguration as long as though they will be arresting or killing the NANS president now, who controls over 40 million Aluta forces. So I want to, for the want of time, I don't want to take much of our time, but I have told you in brief. So we cannot say, the most important thing which my government, which we want to do as leaders of NANS, is that we will fight the cultists. We will take away cultism from NANS, the touts from NANS. They are just a bunch of touts and criminal elements. When politicians want to do anything, they recruit them to do all of these things, and that is what we have come to fight. I need your support for us to be able to do this, because without you supporting me, supporting our leadership, there's no way we'll be able to achieve this, because these people have gone far. They have no shame. I want to say, finally, that Seyi Tinubu is a very bad example to the Nigerian youth. And the worst thing that will happen to Nigeria will be for Seyi Tinubu to become the governor of Lagos State. He has no shame, he has no character. I have been strapped naked, he has my video in his phone. If we are in a country where things work, they are supposed to trace that in his phone, and he should be prosecuted. I do not know what he wants to do with my naked video in his phone. It is also in the phone of the Senior Special Assistant to the President, on Student Affairs. The secretary, while we went to submit a letter to the Minister of Defense, the essay to the Minister of Defense told him that he saw my naked video while they were beating me. That is also in his own phone. This is the country that we are, but they are making a mistake with the wrong person. The honest solution to this is for them to do the right thing, or they should quickly terminate my life. I thank you very much for listening, Your Excellency.
Yeah, bang bop pekele. Yeah, bang bop pekele. Yeah, bang bop pekele. Yeah, bang bop pekele. Ẹ má yà sọ́tún, ẹ má yà sósì. 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 Sanfatis ní ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ. 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 Ó yá o, ẹ bá wa dòwò pọ̀ kájọ ṣoríire. Ó yá o, ẹ bá wa dòwò pọ̀ kájọ ṣoríire. Ó yá o, ẹ bá wa dòwò pọ̀ kájọ ṣoríire. Ó yá o, ẹ bá wa dòwò pọ̀ kájọ ṣoríire.
ní Sanfatis FM ọmọ alájẹ ni wá gbogbo ìran káràkátà tó ń ṣòwò gbogbo fílílẹ̀ yìí tà ní tàbílẹ̀ oúnjẹ aṣọ tàbí ìwé ewébẹ̀ ẹran kódà bó jẹ́ pọ̀nmọ́ ẹ kàn sí wa ní Sanfatis FM lónìí lágbóhùn tẹ́ǹtà fàyè gbọ́ ẹ̀kúnrẹ́rẹ́ àlàyé síwájú sí i ẹ pè tàbí kẹ́ WhatsApp +447 946 212 160 Sanfatis FM òkè láyé tí wá.